Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to access and use the Pixel Tips app on your Google Pixel device. Now I'm using the Google Pixel 8. I'm using the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should also work on Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So to get started, first go to search for the app called Pixel Tips. It will show on top. It will show a light bulb. Click on it. Now the Pixel Tips is a built-in app that gives you tips on how to get like the most out of your phone. It's really useful for learning hidden features on your Google Pixel device, and especially if you're new to your Google Pixel phone. So it teaches you from the very basic functions to the more advanced features. So here there's tips on how to use the camera, essentials, smart features, navigation. We'll click on camera here. I'll show you how to do photo editing, show you the step by step. And then you can scroll to the right, show you how to group pictures, and then other stuff. And that's it. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.